62-year-old woman gone missing in Savanna. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 62-year-old Erica Watt of Rickett Street, Savanna, Westmoreland has been missing since Wednesday, April the 1st. She is of dark complexion, slim built and about 167 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Savanna police are that at around 4 p.m. Watt was last seen at home. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. All efforts to locate her since then have proved unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Erica Watt is being asked to contact the Savanna police at 876-955-2536 or 876-955-3262, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.